Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we are gonna learn how to find the area of a triangle if all the vertices are given. So here all the vertices coordinates are given in 2 dimension. So we will use the formula for 2 dimension. So I have already drawn the triangle in xy plane, that is this point is A, that is origin 0, 0. This point is C, that is 5, 3, which is in first quadrant, and this point is B, it is in second quadrant. So its coordinates are -4, 5. So first method is we can find the area of triangle by Heron's formula. So for that we need all the length of all the sides, and for that we can use the distance formula for to find the distance of AC, AB and BC, and then after we can use Heron's formula, but that will be a quite long method. So we will not solve this question by that method. We will just go through a simple approach, that is area of triangle if vertices are given, then we need, so it is the mode of AB cross AC. So the AB side is this and AC side is this. So if we will find the cross product of this, and we have to just multiply it by 1/2, then we will get the area of triangle. And if you want to find the area of a parallelogram with these AB and AC as just 2 vectors, then definitely it will be the double. So here the 1/2 will be removed. So here the triangle is given. So now we need to find the AB vector. So AB vector is the position vector of B vector minus position vector of A vector. So position vector of B vector are given, that is -4, 5, and A vector are also given 0, 0. Then definitely from here we can say that AB is equal to -4, 5, means -4i plus 5j. Then we need to find the AC vector. So AC vector will be C vector minus A vector. So it is basically C vector is 5, 3 minus A vector is 0, 0. So we can write this AC vector as 5, 3. Now to find the cross product, we know that we will use the determinant formula. So AB cross AC is equal to determinant of I, J, K, and then we can use A, B as -4, 5, and the Z coordinate is 0, and here 5, 3, 0. So if we will solve this determinant, then we will get I cap. Then we will just we will ignore this column and this row. So we have to multiply this by this. So it will be 0 minus 0, then minus j. So here now we will ignore this column and this row. Now we need to multiply -4 by 0 and 5 by 0. So again these all will become, both will become 0 minus 0, and then plus k. We need to just leave this column and this row. Then we need to find multiplication of this minus this. So we can write this as -12 minus 25. So we can write this as 0i minus 0j minus 37k. So if we will find the magnitude of this, so AB cross AC magnitude, then definitely we will get it 37, because we will find it at 0 square plus 0 square plus minus 37 square and under root. So definitely we will get it as 37. And the area of triangle ABC is equal to, because we need to multiply 1/2 in the magnitude of cross product, then definitely it will be 37/2 square units. Since units is not given, then we need to write units. So this is the answer. So this is the one of the method by using cross product. Second method is, this is the alternate method. So we can directly find the area by finding the magnitude. So we need to multiply 1/2 in the starting. So x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. This is for 2 dimension. So if we will put the value of x1, y1 as a coordinate of a 0, 0, 1, and then x2, y2 coordinate of b that are minus 4, 5, 0, and then this will become 5, 3, 0, 5, 3, 1. This is also 1. This is also 1. Then if we will just open this determinant by this first row, then definitely these 2 times 0, here is 0, here is 0. So these 2 row and column will be ignored. Now we need to expand this determinant with the third element of the first row. So we will write it as 1 multiply by, so we will ignore this row and this column and this row. Then we will multiply minus 4 by 3 minus 5 by 5. So it will become 25, and 1 by 2 is the multiplication in the starting. And we need to find the magnitude of this, because area is always positive, area can never be negative. So definitely it will become 32. So area is 37 divided by 2. So this is the alternate method. So there are various methods to find the area of triangle, but these 2 are most prominent to use in exams. So this one is the first, and this one is the second. So now I will take you to the calculator which I have made on my website, that will automatically calculate the area of triangle with given vertices in the 2 dimension, and it will also show you step by step solution. You can change your inputs as per your need. So guys, this is the landing page of the calculator of area of triangle with given vertices in 2D. And here are the input boxes. I will give you the link of this calculator in the description below, so you can access it from there. So we know that the point A is given as 0, 0. So 0, 0 we have just made input, and then point B is minus 4, 5, and the point C is 5, 3. Now we have to check that whether we have made correct input or not. So we will just see in the formatted user input display. So here 0, 0, minus 4, 5 and 5, 3. It means we have made the correct input. Now we need to just click on the calculate button. So here we got the area, that is 37 by 2, and we have calculated it also. So we did it correctly. And if you want to see the steps, then you have to click on this button, and after that you will be just a step by step solution will be displayed. And if you will change the input, then answer will also change. So you can access this calculator. This is free, and you can also post your comments here about feedback or any changes that you need. So we will incorporate all the changes that you need. Thank you very much.